Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the study of books that have won Booker Prize. And in this video, we are going to discuss Milkman by Anna Burns that won Booker Prize in 2018. So let's start. Introduction. Anna Burns' novel Milkman, which won the 2018 Man Booker Prize, is a gripping exploration of life during the Trouble in Northern Ireland, seen through the eyes of an unnamed 18-year-old narrator referred to as Middle Sister. Set in an unnamed city that closely resembles Belfast in the late 1970s, the novel uses a unique narrative style and deep psychological insight to examine themes of totalitarian control, social surveillance, and the oppressive weight of community expectations. Plot summary. The novel opens with a striking sentence that sets the tone for the entire story. The day somebody McSomebody put a gun to my breast and called me a cat and threatened to shoot me was the same day the milkman died. This enigmatic line introduces us to the world of Middle Sister, a young woman who tries to navigate her way through a community fraught with political and social tensions. Middle Sister becomes the subject of unwanted attention from a much older man known only as the Milkman, a figure of power within the local paramilitary organization. Despite her attempts to avoid him, the Milkman's presence looms large over her life, leading to gossip, isolation, and fear within her community. The novel captures the suffocating atmosphere of the time, where even seemingly innocent actions like reading a book while walking can be seen as deviant and dangerous. The narrative is less about a traditional plot and more about the psychological and emotional experiences of the narrator as she tries to survive in a world where every action is scrutinized and judged. Themes: totalitarian control and social surveillance. The novel portrays a society under the thumb of totalitarian forces, both political and social. The community's constant monitoring of each other's behavior creates an environment where fear and paranoia thrive. Middle Sister's experience with the milkman is a microcosm of the larger oppressive forces at work in her society. Gender and power dynamics. The novel explores the power dynamics between men and women, particularly the ways in which women are controlled and suppressed by societal expectations and the threat of violence. Middle Sister's interactions with the milkman highlight how women's autonomy is often undermined by both overt and subtle forms of coercion. Isolation and alienation. Middle Sister's experiences reflect the profound sense of isolation and alienation that can result from living in a divided and distrustful society. Her love of books and her refusal to conform to societal expectations set her apart from her community, leading to her becoming an outsider. The role of gossip and rumor. Gossip and rumor play a significant role in the novel, serving as tools of control and social regulation. The community's eagerness to believe the worst about Middle Sister based on unfounded rumors illustrates the destructive power of gossip in a tightly knit society. Narrative style. Burns employs a distinctive narrative style in Milkman, characterized by long, digressive sentences and a stream of consciousness approach. The novel's voice is deeply interior, capturing the fragmented and often contradictory thoughts of the narrator. This style reflects the confusion and disorientation of living in a society where reality is constantly distorted by fear and suspicion. Despite the complexity of the prose, the novel remains accessible with a rhythm and cadence that draw readers into the narrator's world. Character analysis. Middle sister. The protagonist, middle sister, is a complex character whose inner turmoil and resistance to societal norms drive the narrative. Her love of 19th century literature and her tendency to walk while reading set her apart from her peers, marking her as different in a society that demands conformity. Her interactions with the milkman and her community reveal the intense pressures faced by women in such an environment. The milkman. The eponymous milkman is a menacing figure who represents the pervasive control of the paramilitary forces over the community. His interest in middle sister is both obsessive and threatening, symbolizing the broader societal forces that seek to dominate and control individuals. Maybe boyfriend. Maybe boyfriend is middle sister's love interest, a character who, like her, tries to navigate the complexities of life in a divided society. His passion for car mechanics contrasts with middle sister's literary inclinations, highlighting the different ways individuals cope with their environment. Similar works. The Troubles by J.G. Farrell. Set during the Irish War of Independence, this novel explores the tensions and conflicts in Ireland during a turbulent period. Like Milkman, it delves into the psychological impact of living in a divided society. The Quiet American by Graham Greene. Greene's novel, set during the French Indochina War, also examines the intersection of personal lives and political conflict. The protagonist's internal struggles and the novel's exploration of moral ambiguity resonate with the themes in Milkman. The Dispossessed by Ursula K. Le Guin. Though set in a science fiction context, Le Guin's exploration of an anarchist society and the individual's place within it echoes the themes of control and isolation found in Milkman. Room by Emma Donoghue. These novels focus on a character trapped in a confined space by malevolent force bears a thematic similarity to Milkman's portrayal of middle sister's psychological entrapment. Critical reception. Milkman has been widely praised for its innovative narrative style, rich characterizations, and its exploration of complex themes related to the Troubles and gender dynamics. Critics have lauded Burns for her ability to create a vivid and unsettling portrait of life in Northern Ireland during this turbulent period. However, some readers have found the novel's style challenging, particularly its stream of consciousness approach and dense, repetitive prose. Despite these challenges, Milkman has been recognized as a powerful and important work of literature that offers profound insights into the human condition. Conclusion. Milkman, a powerful exploration of the psychological and social effects of living under totalitarian control. Through its unique narrative style and profound themes, the novel offers a compelling portrait of a young woman's struggle to maintain her autonomy in a world that seeks to crush it. Anna Burns's work stands as a significant contribution to the literature of the Troubles, offering insights into the human cost of conflict and the resilience of human spirit. So this was the discussion on the novel Milkman by Anna Burns. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work which has won Booker Prize. Until then, goodbye and thank you.